here is a 1971 Yamaha DT1, and you can see that the previous owner tried to paint it what he thought was Mandarin orange, or maybe he just didn't care. He just wanted to get it close, you know, an orange color. That's perfectly fine. I'm not knocking anyone that does that, you know. That's what's so great about these bikes, is you can do whatever you want. The reason I'm making these videos is for people that do want to make them the original color back to what they were. But like I said, some people like to take these off and put a big plastic tank on them or modify them and stuff, and you know, you're free to do whatever you want. I'm just trying to help those of you that want to restore it back to the original color. So I have a new old stock fork ear here, original packaging, and I don't want to say this tank is new old stock because it does have some chipping along the edge here, but as far as the color, to me it's pretty much new old stock because I've compared them side by side and it's pretty much a dead match because it hasn't faded or anything. Anyways, this paint is a metallic color. The metal flakes are what makes it shine in the sunlight. And if I can get it to focus there we go. The brochures aren't going to show you this color depth with the metallic flake, so I like to show you up close the metallic flakes. And like I said, several models used this color, so if you're restoring one of those models, this color match will also work for you.
Someday, you'll own a Yamaha.